So this is possibly the biggest discount VIOFO has provided on any of their dashcam lineups. I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Plus triple channel variant. So currently this is available at a price of 25,999 rupees, coming down from a price of about 30 to 31,000 rupees. And not just that, if you do purchase using the link given in the description and pay via UPI, you get additional 5% discount via refund, bringing down the price to effectively about 24,700 rupees. That's less than 25k for a triple channel dashcam, which gets dual StarVis2 sensors, StarVis2 for the front and StarVis2 for the rear, along with a StarVis sensor for the interior or the cabin camera. So the A229 Plus has been one of the foremost dashcams in employing a dual StarVis2 setup, and this camera providing you a Quad HD resolution on the front and a Quad HD at the rear, along with a Full HD resolution in the interior camera, makes for a compelling package. Well, some of you might say there are better resolutions available out there within the same price range, but are there any dashcams that provide you a better service support, a better kind of a warranty? I don't think so, because VIOFO offers you a full 2-year warranty on the product, along with a 1-year warranty on any of its accessories. That being said, VIOFO offers a no hassle service support and is known to have one of the best service support in India. Now, it's very, very important that no matter which electronic gadget you buy, it might be a dashcam, your TV or your smartphone, service support makes a crucial part of the buying process, and VIOFO offers the best one in India. You also get a free pickup and drop service right from your doorstep in case of any warranty issues. You don't even have to step out of your home to get your dashcam replaced or get repaired. And not only that, the A229 Plus series, along with providing you a dual Quad HD dual StarVis2 setup, also provides you one of the best parking modes available in any dash camera. And talking about parking mode, you would need a Hardwire Kit, which is currently again on discount. You will get it at a price of about 2,000 rupees only, along with the fact that you can also purchase the CPL filters for both front and the rear camera at 1,000 rupees only. That's a discounted price. So lots of discounts, lots of offers specifically on the VIOFO A229 Plus triple channel variant. So do make sure to go ahead and buy it straight away if you have a budget of about 24,700 rupees, if you want to get the best of VIOFO at a budget price range. Triple channel setup is something which we definitely need because it covers all the surrounding of the car, gives you basically a 360-degree coverage, and getting the brand backing of VIOFO, the reliability of VIOFO is totally unmatched. Just go ahead and buy this camera. But do know that in order to complete the purchase, you need to pay the full amount of 25,999 using your bank linked UPI ID. Of course, you can also use your credit card. That will give you a 3% discount. But why get lesser discount when you can get more? You can get 5% straight up discount on the price by paying via UPI. So do note that this is a discount refund and is not straight up applied when you check out and when you order for this product. So you will be ordering this product at 25,999, and once the order gets successfully placed, you will get a refund of the extra 5% amount that comes up to about 1,300 rupees, around that price range. You will get it as a refund back to your UPI ID within a matter of 3 to 4 business days. What are you waiting for? Go get it right now.